Hey John, this is Jonathan over at Jackie Cooper. Wanted to show you how to install this cargo net. So Jason, if you come a little bit closer, one of the things I want you to see is where the hooks are. There's a hook down here that's actually kind of hard to see. You have to flip it with your finger, and same with that one. So your opening will go right here and just clip on. And then on the bottom one, you're going to do the exact same thing. Clip it on right here. Then you're going to come around to the other side. And you'll have to stretch it out. Clip it there. And then again, getting that finger to hook. I got fat fingers. There we go. And then bringing this down and clipping it on. This is one way you can attach it so that it opens up like this. You can also unhook it, and actually this one isn't set up for that. There are some cargo nets that go all the way to the front, but this one does not. So if you have any questions, just give me a call. My number is 918-805-9061. Thank you.